Well, good Tuesday morning. It is a beautiful start here at Mississippi State University. Looking across the junction right now, nothing but sunshine, sitting at 64 with those winds out of the south-southeast around 5 miles an hour, bringing in some of that warmth for us today. But it's also going to bring in a little bit of moisture, which is going to set up a little bit of a severe threat for our area tomorrow. We could see storms, especially after 10 p.m. See some strong winds, our main threat. We also could see some heavy rain that could lead to some localized flooding on Wednesday. And as we go on into the overnight hours Wednesday to Thursday morning, that severe threat could linger across especially eastern portions of our area. Again, those main threats being damaging winds and localized flooding, but all those storms are expected to move out by noon on Thursday. But kind of timing it out for you, Wednesday we will keep those clouds around due to that increased moisture flowing in from the south. But as we go later on into the evening hours, you see that line of showers and storms beginning to develop around 10 o'clock. And then by 4 p.m., those severe storms start approaching the Interstate 55 corridor. Now, this is going to be an overnight event, so be sure that you do have some way to receive severe weather warnings because you will be asleep once the worst of this weather moves in. The worst of it looks to reach Oktibbeha County by 6 a.m. on Thursday, that Interstate 45 corridor right here. It will push on off into Alabama by 8 a.m., but there could be some heavier rain lingering behind it. But again, the main threats that we're expecting to see out of these storms Wednesday night into Thursday morning are damaging winds, but we could see all types of severe weather, including hail. The tornado risk is very low for our area, but again, we are really focused on the flooding threat here coming in at a medium threat due to all the rain that we've already seen so far this month. We could see an additional couple of inches out of this system tomorrow on into Thursday morning. 1.7 inches there in Winona, 1.8 here at Ackerman, 1.7 Starkville. Most of us will see around a little over an inch and a half. Some areas could even pick up around 3 inches of rainfall. So just be sure that if you do come across a flooded roadway to turn around. But for today, you can expect a summer-like day out there. We will top out in the lower 80s, 82 Winona, 80 Ackerman, 81 down there in Louisville. So it's going to be hot today. That sun's going to be out. But as we go on into your Halloween tomorrow for Wednesday, those clouds will return for the morning hours, starting off there in the middle 70s, 74 around lunchtime. As you head home from work tomorrow, getting the kids ready for trick-or-treating, it's still going to be warm at 80 degrees, which will be our daytime high here in Starkville tomorrow. But we could have a few showers start to sneak their way in there towards tomorrow night. So you may want to grab that umbrella just in case so the kids don't get too soaked while they're out getting some candy. But for the next couple of days, that's really our highest chance of rain here on Wednesday and Thursday. High temperatures are going to begin to cool off after that cold front moves through, though. Friday, only looking at a high of 59. We could have a few of those showers linger over Friday morning from the storm on Thursday, but this weekend, don't forget to roll your clocks back there on Sunday. We fall back an hour as highs. We're back into the 70s for Monday.